Hi, I'm Geoff. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I made the drawer and door handles for this jewellery cabinet. Stick around. The drawer and door handles are made from laminated veneer that is bent over a form. I started by taping a number of veneers together with the intention of cutting off strips which would become the handles. I used blue painter's tape for this because it does not leave a sticky residue behind when it is removed. I trimmed one edge using a knife to give me a straight reference edge. I used the form to work out the width of the veneer I'd need, then cut the strips to size. The strips are over width so they could be trimmed to fit. I made the form by routing a 12mm roundover along the length of a piece of straight scrap. I covered the entire form with packing tape to prevent the laminates from sticking to the form. I spread PVA glue on one side of each veneer using a small roller to ensure there is a consistent amount of glue on each lamination. I didn't feel the need to put glue on both sides as there are no great stresses on the handles. Once again, painter's tape was used to hold the laminates together for bending. I taped the bundle of laminations to the form to prevent them moving. I discovered afterwards that the glued up bundles contain indentations from the tape, so in hindsight I think I may have got a little carried away with taping the laminates to the form. I probably should have just taped them at the ends. A casual viewer may not see the indentations, but I know they are there. The laminates went into the vacuum bag to finish the glue up. I forgot to record me preparing the mortises for the handles, and of me cutting the handles to rough length. The mortises were cut in the same manner as hinge mortises. There is a card linking to a video showing how I did it for the doors at the top right. I shot the edges of the handles to produce a tight fit. Gluing the handles in place is straightforward. I masked off around the hinge mortises to prevent glue getting where it wasn't needed, and used a dowel to ensure that the handles projected a consistent amount in front of the drawer or door. I could have done with an extra set of hands during the glue up, but things worked out okay in the end. The waste was cut away with a flush cut saw, then cleaned up with a block plane. Final cleanup was done with a sanding block. Well, I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please give us a like below, or a dislike if you didn't like it. If you have any comments or topic suggestions, please leave a comment below, and please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell. That way you'll stay up to date with our videos. Thank you for watching.